Hello, I'm going to teach you how to write in Arabic in Adobe CC 2018. Okay? Um, First of all, you need to download the Creative Cloud application, of course, and install the programs from here. But before you install any programs, you need to click here to go to Preferences and select the Creative Cloud and select English يدعم العربية. And now you can install the programs from here. If you didn't do this, you need to uninstall and reinstall the programs. Now let's go to Photoshop. We go to Edit, Preferences, Type. We select Middle Eastern and South Asian. Click OK. And now go to Type, Language Options, select Middle Eastern Features. This is to enable the right to left directions. Now let's go to After Effects. After Effects, Edit, Preferences, Type, South Asian and Middle Eastern. Same thing. Hit the Type tool and try to type in Arabic. Now go to Premiere, Edit, Preferences, Graphics, select South Asian and Middle Eastern, click OK. But note that you cannot select the type tool from here because it won't work. But what you need to do is go to File, New, Legacy Title, OK. Select the type tool and start typing. Close this, click this and drag it to the timeline, and here you go. As for Illustrator and InDesign, you don't really need to do anything. You just go there and start typing in Arabic. Thank you for watching.